Remember that the following content is just a summary of information available on the internet, generated by AI. Investing decisions carry risks. Duke Energy is one of the largest energy companies in the United States, operating in the electricity and gas sectors. It generates, transmits, and sells electricity in the Carolinas, Florida, and the Midwest, while also managing natural gas distribution and transmission infrastructure. In Q4 2024, the company reported revenue of $7.36 billion, a 2% year-over-year increase, but below market expectations of $7.72 billion. Net income was $1.21 billion, and earnings per share (EPS) reached $1.66, surpassing analysts' estimates of $1.6. The forecast for 2025 indicates an EPS range between $6.17 and $6.42, with an average projection of $6.33. Duke Energy's market capitalization stands at approximately $89.8 billion. The total number of shares is 772.48 million, and the current stock price is $116.3. Operating cash flow is 0.81, indicating moderate liquidity, while the company's liabilities account for 62.85% of total assets, reflecting a significant debt burden. The price-to-earnings (PE) ratio is approximately 18.4, which is near the upper end of its historical range of 16 to 20. The dividend yield is 3.59%, with a quarterly dividend of $1.045 per share. The next dividend payment is scheduled for March 17, 2025. The U.S. energy market is experiencing increasing consumption and significant investments in renewable energy. Duke Energy competes with companies like NextEra Energy, Dominion Energy, and Southern Company. Compared to its competitors, Duke offers a higher dividend yield than NextEra Energy, but has a slower expansion in renewable energy projects. Technical analysis indicates a support level around $107.20 and a resistance level at $116.40. The average cost basis for investors is $110.7. The stock is trading near the upper end of its price channel, suggesting potential short-term consolidation before breakout. There are no significant signs of a short squeeze, as short-selling volume remains low. Options market data suggests a neutral sentiment, with no extreme price movements expected. The key reasons to buy Duke Energy stock include stable earnings and consistent dividend payouts, the defensive nature of the utilities sector during economic slowdowns, and an overall upward price trend. Reasons to consider selling include the company's high debt levels, relatively high valuation compared to historical averages, and regulatory risks that could impact its operations. Duke Energy remains a solid choice for long-term investors seeking reliable dividends and exposure to the utilities sector. Given the current economic phase, characterized by a slowdown or recession, investing in utilities may be a good strategy. If the stock price falls toward $110, it could present a good buying opportunity. This analysis is not investment advice and should be considered as an opinion based on available financial data. Investors should conduct their own research and consider their personal investment goals before making any decisions. We invite you to subscribe to our channel for easier access to future analyses. Please like the video to help us understand your needs better. If you want us to prepare a similar short report on another company, write its name in the comments. We do not engage in brokerage activities consisting of investment advice, portfolio management including one or more financial instruments, or preparing recommendations regarding transactions in financial instruments, or any other brokerage activities specified in the Act on Trading in Financial Instruments. Journal of Laws, 2005, number 183, item 1538. In accordance with Regulation EU, number 596/2014 of the European Parliament and of the Council of April 16, 2014 on market abuse, and the Commission Delegated Regulation, EU 2016/958 of March 9, 2016 Supplementing Regulation EU. Number 596/2014 of the European Parliament and of the Council with regard to regulatory technical standards for the technical means for objective presentation of investment recommendations or other information recommending or suggesting an investment strategy and disclosure of particular interests or indications of conflicts of interest. The information provided in this recording is a compilation developed based on data and content collected from various internet sources, which are not always fully verified by us. They are for educational purposes and as part of an experiment on AI capabilities. When making investment decisions, the user should rely on their own judgment. Transactions conducted by the user are considered their own independent decisions.